We have downloaded all the things, and now we need to arrange the things in place. Anyways, we just need to arrange the stuff in place. That's the first thing. And the next point here is, let's try to launch our APM desktop and see how it looks like. Okay, so double click on that APM desktop. It's trying to launch. It will take a few minutes to launch that APM desktop version. So here, the APM desktop is the most important thing for us whenever you are executing your test scripts. Whenever you are executing your scripts, it's mandatory for you to start this server. Okay, you have to start this server, then only you can continue your execution. If not, it won't recognize that. Okay, and another thing is, okay, so we have installed Android Studio successfully in my machine. How would I know whether this Android got successfully installed or not? Right, so we should know, right? I have installed Android. How come I know whether my system is recognizing this or not? So what I'm doing right now means I'm connecting my personal Android device to this machine. Okay, using an USB cable. Using USB cable, I'm connecting my mobile phone to this laptop. Okay, I have a connected my device now. Okay, how would I know whether it got a connected or not? Open the command prompt. Okay, command prompt. So once you open the command prompt, ADB space devices. Okay, ADB space devices. It's an Android command which will recognize the connected Android devices to your machine. If you have a connected 5 USB cables, for the 5 cables you have a 5 devices, all the 5 devices list will be displayed. As of now, I have a connected only one device. That device name, this is the device name which it got highlighted. So this is the device you have a connected, and list of devices it will display. So it means you can confirm that, okay, my device got successfully connected and my system is recognizing that particular device. My Android, it's been recognizing that. Good enough. And once we are done with this particular one, we can confirm that I have a successfully installed Android in my machine, and my device is being recognized. Okay, cool. And then the next point is, usually it may not recognize your device at the initial instance. What you need to do means, so here I'm using a Visor app which will reflect my mobile instance here. Okay, this app, why we are using means whenever you are giving a client demos and all those things. If I am executing my test scripts, they don't know, right? See, my mobile is connected to my laptop and I can only see that mobile, but you people can't see that. Whenever I'm giving a client demo, how would they know the script is executing or not? So that's the reason we have a Visor app for Chrome, which will show me my complete mobile instance here. So here I'm trying to launch this Visor. It was already installed to my machine. Okay, I'm trying to launch this Visor app, whereas for you it will prompt you as install this add-on. Upon installing that, you can find this launch app, and you can find these apps here within a browser. There is a app section here, right? Clicking on that, you can find your Visor app after successful installation. See, I have my Visor here. I'm hitting that Visor. It's prompting. And as I connected, okay, can't you see my screen? So, may I know your good name is Pravalika. Are you facing issues with my screen? I don't think. Yeah, so I have opened this Visor, and in this Visor, it is displaying one device. We have already connected that. It is showing as a view option for me. Clicking on a view, the complete mobile instance is populating here. Okay, whatever the mobile is there, it's populating here. And moreover, here from this tab I can operate my mobile also. See, I have opened assume that I have opened some apps on my mobile. So those app screen, it will prompt here. It's installing, it will take a few seconds. Okay, it's installing Visor on my mobile. Okay, once the Visor installation got completed on my mobile, then it will reflect to my screen here. It may take a few seconds to get it. That's it. But this is the way how exactly we can mirror our mobile instance into a laptop. So the reason why we have a connected this one is to show you some configuration what exactly we need to do as part of this mobile recognition. So why 1 second. Let's see, I'm getting a blank screen. Not sure. 1 second, guys. Just give me a minute. Let's see why we are getting a blank screen here. Okay. Okay. I'm able to operate the stuff on my mobile, but I can see the blank screen. Okay. 1 second. Name settings. Let me check out the configurations. Usually, directly upon connecting, it should recognize the mobile instance there, but somehow few operations I can do, so hitting on a home, it's a hitting home on my device. Such kind of an operations are working on my device, but the screen is not populating. I'll cross check once again why it's not doing that. Okay, but this is one thing. And if you consider here the APM, launched the APM few minutes before, right? It will take some time to launch the APM desktop. Once this APM desktop got launched, this is the screen which it will populate. Okay, this is the screen which it will populate, like start the server, such kind of an options it will prompt. So among all these things, the port number it is populating is a 4723. You are going to start your APM server on your port 4723, and the server version is 1.15.1. That's what we have downloaded. Click on start server. So whenever you hit a start server, this is the screen it is populating. The server is running. Welcome to APM 1.15.1. And here if you observe, has an interface listener started on 4723 0.0.0 colon 4723. So it's mentioning that your APM is listening to this particular port. 0 colon 4723 is the port it's populating. Okay, good enough. Done the deal. So this is how I need to start my APM server, and this is how I just need to perform this stuff. Is this point clear for you all till now, or any questions for me? Cool.